Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing tips that will help you build your confidence. Now these insights are from one of my favorite book, The Magic of Thinking Big. Now in order to be confident, you have to think confidently, and in order to do that, you have to act confidently. So do please watch this video till the end, because I'm going to share with you 5 simple things which you can practice in your day-to-day life, and once you start doing it consistently, you will be able to see your confidence level getting boosted up. Now before we move ahead, can you please do me a small favor? Can you please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post my next video. Now the very first thing is, be a front seater. You might have observed in meetings, seminars, or even in your regular classes that the very first 3 rows don't get filled up easily. People often prefer to sit in the back, and the only reason is that people are too scared to sit in the front row because they don't have that level of confidence. Now if you are doing this thing, then you need to stop it right away. Make sure that in your next classes or in your next meeting or conference or any public event, you make sure that you sit in the front row, because that will help you boost your confidence. That will give you a connection with the speaker, and even if you're afraid a bit, it's quite okay. It is human behavior, it is natural. But by sitting in the front row, you might be even able to ask them questions, or even if they ask you, you might at least attempt to give them an answer. So make sure that you always take a front seat and not at the back seat, because you want to build your confidence. Now the second thing is, practice making an eye contact. Now this is very helpful in your professional as well as personal life. When you don't make an eye contact, it is very obvious for the other person to think that maybe you're not honest, maybe you're afraid, maybe you lack confidence, or maybe you're not actually present in that moment. So when you start making an eye contact, it not only builds confidence, but it also builds trust between both of you. And when you look into the eyes, you can proudly say that you're honest, you know what you're doing, and you're standing for something right. So when you start making an eye contact, it will not only help build confidence, but it will also help you win confidence of the other person. Now the third thing is something very easy to practice in your day-to-day life, and that is walking 25% faster. There are 2 kinds of people when it comes to walking. One who walks too fast, and the other category who walks too slow. When people walk too fast, they are always in hurry. They are actually not present in the moment while they are walking. They have their mind wandering about things that they have to achieve before they reach or after they reach. Now people who walk very slowly are often termed as very lazy people by psychologists. It has been proven that when the type of walk that you practice determines the type of attitude you have towards your life. So make sure that in your day-to-day life, you walk with your shoulders straight, you walk 25% faster than your usual speed, and while you walk, you're present in that moment. Because when you start walking in that particular way, your mind also starts working in that particular way. So your mind action is related to your body action. So make sure that you start walking 25% faster than your usual speed. The fourth tip is, practice speaking up. This is very important in your professional and student life. You might have seen in group discussions or in debates that students or people don't actually participate. They don't participate because they are scared of speaking up, because they feel that maybe their opinion is not worthy, maybe they might sound foolish in front of people, or maybe their thoughts might be just wrong. When you keep on giving yourself such negative thoughts, it only and only takes up all your confidence. When you start speaking up, you will see your mind developing in a very good way. You will be open to new ideas. You will no longer be afraid of what other people will think about you. And this practice will help you boost your confidence by 10x level. This small practice of speaking up in all the public events is like confidence building vitamin, which you have to do for yourself. You have to be the icebreaker in unknown groups or in public events. This is definitely going to raise your confidence level. The last point is, smile big. Right now while you're watching this, just give yourself a big smile. You might be thinking that what is smiling big going to do? You might have heard that people say that by smiling big, you can boost yourself Not only that, you can actually build your confidence. But you might be thinking that how can you smile big in situations when you are scared or when you are not confident? That is the time when you have to actually remind yourself to forcefully smile big, because this is internally going to help you boost your confidence. And even when you are in a situation where you don't know other people and where you are afraid to speak, or where you are in middle of conversation, and if you sincerely give the other person a gentle smile, it brings that calmness in the conversation, it brings that positivity in that conversation, and you can then take forward your conversation in the way you want to. So practice smiling big, because it is really going to do wonders for you, and it is going to help you boost your confidence, and it is also going to make your face appear very bright and beautiful. So these were 5 simple things that you can practice in your day-to-day life to boost your confidence. The only one thing that you have to make sure that you do is you practice these things consistently. In order to get the best result and in order to get the bigger result out of this, make sure that you practice all these 5 things consistently. Even after you achieve that level of confidence, don't just stop doing, keep continuing this process. I hope that you found this video useful. If you found it useful, then do please like my video and also comment below your thoughts on how you would like to build your confidence. And even if you have any other topics in your mind, do please drop a comment below. I would be happy to put down a video on your suggested topics. Do please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified next time when I post my video. Thank you so much for watching.